Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty, I am Shoban Chandra Rai, assistant teacher in English, Angargara United High School, Baloka Mymensingh. Today I will take the class 9-10, subject English second part, narration. In my previous class, I discussed narration, kinds of narration, what is direct speech and what is indirect speech, and person changing, case changing, and nearness word into remoteness word. Today I will discuss different kinds of sentence narration. Assertive sentence or statement, if the repeating verb is in the present or future tense, the tense in the repeated speech is not changed. That is used as a linking word. Direct. Respond says, I am a student. Here repeating verb is present form. Respond says that he is a student. Another example, তাদের will say, I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. তাদের will say that. Here that is used as a linking word in place of inverted commas. তাদের he will go to Dhaka next day. Number 2, if the repeating verb is in the past tense, if the repeating verb is in the past tense, the verb in the repeated speech is changed into the corresponding past form. For example, he said, I eat rice. Indirect. He said that he ate rice. Here devoting verb is past form. and the tense is changed into past indefinite. Please, dear students, look at the whiteboard. Present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect if only the repeating verb is past form. Dear students, another example. Ripon said, I have done this. Ripon said that he had done that. If, number 3, if the describes universal truth, constant fact, habitual fact, geographical, fact, and quotations. The verb in the repeated speech, the verb in the repeated speech is not changed. For example, direct. The teacher said, the earth moves round the sun. Here it is universal truth. This sentence is universal truth. The earth moves round the sun. The teacher said that the earth moves round the sun. Dear students, that's in my lecture. Next time I will take another narration class.